So our Glasgow Open Lab project is part of a European university alliance called CIVIS. Our Open Lab in Glasgow took the form of a community sustainability grant scheme. We worked in partnership with the Glasgow Centre for Population Health, and really the idea there was to look at what communities wanted, what their needs were, and to fund some projects that could really make a difference.
I'm Freya from Boomerang Woodworking CIC. Boomerang's been around 10 plus years. Pretty much the whole time it's been community focused. We run workshops for community groups, so we've worked a lot with the housing associations and other charities in the area to do sort of introductory woodwork classes, making sort of bird boxes, planters, tables, things like that. And then we make a lot of things for the community as well. So we got some funding from the University of Glasgow to help the project. We ran a series of workshops throughout the autumn. It brought a lot of people into the project. We had a lot of different and new people coming in to use the workshop.
I've only been volunteering at Boomerang for about 6 months or so, finding an opportunity where there's all the equipment you could possibly need, plus the teaching and skill. So this has really become my go-to place for relaxing, and I love every minute of it.
I'm Sunil Hutchin-Bloor. I am known as Sunny around the Repair Café, but I'm one of the board members of Repair Café Glasgow. So Repair Café runs the fourth Saturday of every month, and we do other outreach events in between. What we're essentially doing is encouraging the community to bring in sentimental or useful or cared for items that they would like to have repaired. And we assign them a repairer from our volunteer team, and we try and fix them on the spot. Some of our repairers are very, very skilled, so not generalists like myself, but they may have jobs where they are electricians or, all-round handy people. We also have a fantastic range of textile repairers. There are lots of things that we do that I don't think are immediately obvious. We have the central cafe area where people are waiting to get repairs done, and this is a nice sense of community. Funding from the university really helped us open up our understanding of who our community are. What we wanted to get a better sense of was how to reach into demographics, especially around Glasgow, who wouldn't normally engage with us. And that's where the university funding was really helpful for us to really have conversations and take the time to survey the people that were coming in.
One of the most interesting and exciting bits of the project for us was when everybody came together here in the Arc at the university. We came together to hear and see the creative outputs that each of the projects had produced. We had a cycling project, we had a musical, we had craft projects and gardening. So they were really wide-ranging and really inspiring and creative. What the organisations had done with what was really quite a small amount of money was really impressive.
So I think one of the biggest outcomes of the initiative, beyond the community projects themselves and what they achieved, was just creating that space for different community groups to come together and to share learning and to exchange ideas and talk about their challenges. And that was also really useful for us, the university and the GCPH, to really listen to that and learn from that for future initiatives that we might deliver.